Test series, my dear student, play a very crucial role for preparation. If you complete your entire syllabus in the month of September, October, then I take guarantee on a written, on a stamp paper also, no one can stop you to get the very good rank. GFG having a GATE courses for GATE 2026. We have a separate batches for GATE 2026, GATE 2027 2 years program if you are in second year, and GATE 2028 3 years program. Khalil sir is the गुरुओं के गुरु, like he is having more than 30 years experience. Once your subject is complete, what you do, you give the subject wise test and topic wise test, but along with that you make a short notes. Winner don't do the different thing, they do the thing in different way, they do the thing in different way. Hello my dear students, so today we are going to discuss what is the ideal preparation strategy for a GATE 2026 and 2027 GATE aspirants to get the AIR under 100. So we will discuss each and everything from basic to complete depth, ki what is the complete roadmap, so you will get the best AIR, you can say under 100, and you get the admission in IIT Bombay या IISc Bangalore या top 7 IITs या reputed institutes of the India, है ना, and you can shape your career in a different way. So before starting this, I am telling one good news कि GFG having a GATE courses for GATE 2026. We have a separate batches for GATE 2026, GATE 2027 2 years program if you are in second year, and GATE 2028 3 years program, है ना. Each and every batch we have, and these batch are specifically for Hindi means English, and for pure English, and for a job person it is available in a weekend and weekdays also respectively. So these batches are start from the 3rd March. Now before going to discuss anything, you have a right to know कि sir which mentor टीच अस, है ना, विच मेंटर टीच अस, कि सर कौन कौन से टीचर विल टीच अस, है ना. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट खलील सर. खलील सर इज द गुरुओं के गुरु, लाइक ही इज हैविंग more than 30 years experience, and he guidance so many students, and under his supervision more than 7 students done the PhD, not only masters, done the PhD. So Khalil sir will teach you operating system and algorithm. Second, Malesham Devsane sir, he is an IIT Bombay alumni, he teach you TOC compiler and C programming. Chandan Jha sir, है ना, he is a motivational king and correct mentor, you can say, for a life also, and he is a ex-ISRO and AIR 13 and 26 also in a GATE examination. He'll teach you digital. Avinash sir teach you aptitude. Shailendra sir teach you data structure and C programming also. Parth sir, Dr. Parth sir, Dr. Parth sir teach you AI/ML wala part. He is a doctor in, है ना, and done the PhD also, and having a vast experience. Now me, Vijay sir, I am having more than 13 years experience, mentored more than 2 lakh students in all over India, offline and online, various states of the India. I am teaching you DBMS and COA, है ना. Next, Satish sir, you called Baba sir also, he teach you discrete mathematics and some portion of math random variable wala, है ना, and he having a wide experience in research also. Gaurav sir is an also alumni of IIT, he teach you computer network. Shakshi ma'am, only one name about the math, है ना, and he's also IIT product, है ना, alumni of IIT, he teach you math and data science wala math also. So these are the complete team, and apart from that we have a complete background technical team which take care of everything, है ना. Now sir, we have a only CS batch, yeah, can we have a combo batch also? Yes my dear student, we have a CSIT DA and combo batch with and without placement also, because you know very well कि GFG is renowned for placement. So many competition in a coding performed on GFD platform, है ना, and he's a very good name in this field. So we have a with placement and without placement, and this batch price is not like a 70,000, 80,000, 90,000. The batch is starting from 6,999, but for that purpose you have to use code upskill30 to get the maximum discount. Now we come to the point कि sir please guide us sir, guide us कि what is the best preparation strategy if I am in second year, और थर्ड ईयर या फर्स्ट ईयर यानी या फाइनल ईयर. That means if you are giving a GATE 2026 and GATE 2027 and 28 also, what is the best preparation strategy? So because roadmap will be same, है ना, like frequency and any repetitive actions will be different. Now first of all, if I am talking about कि sir, what before going to start, what is the roadmap? Tell me fast. So first of all, you have to collect the study materials. Study material means not purchase any X institute, Y institute, Z institute. Like in a GFG we are providing, what we providing? We providing complete video, lecture wise PDF, videos plus PDF plus DPP plus workbook and quiz. We provide it, है ना. And if you are in first year, second year, and whatever subject you are reading for a GATE preparation, if this subject in your BTech curriculum also, you can refer the standard textbook. But those are in third year, having a short amount of time there, if they don't prefer the textbook, then it is okay, because me and all faculties notes also from the standard textbook, है ना. And after that, test series, my dear student, play a very crucial role for preparation, because I met so many students in a GATE 2025 who getting 41, 48, 47, below 50, below 30, below 40 every time student. Then what I ask ki beta, what is the major problem ki you are getting only this much of marks, you are not getting 70 plus marks? Sir, I not given the test, I not given the mocks, I not given the subject wise test, so I'm not analyzing the mistake and I'm not handle the pressure. Because I'm not prepared for that, because I didn't give any test in a real time for 3 hours complete full mock test, not given. That is the point. So by the test series is not only checking ki you know this question, yeah, how to solve this question. Test series also have a dual purpose. Test series having a purpose ki how to deal with question, if you getting any new question, then how to attempt it, and how to manage your time also, and how to react when you have getting ki this is a more than 2 answer are correct for a MSQ, how to deal it, everything you will get it in the test series. Now because you listen, as start early as very good, as best, है ना. So you start early, so you have a get sufficient time, and you try to complete your syllabus till September, or you can say Oct also. If you complete your entire syllabus in the month of September, October, then I take guarantee on a written, on a stamp paper also, no one can stop you to get the very good rank. And very good rank means under 100. If you complete your syllabus with honesty till September or October, then November, December, January, complete 3 months, focus, devote your time in a questions, practice, revision, mocks, PYQs, easily you will get it. And when it is possible, when you start early, then easy going and in smoothly manner, smoothing ekdam, you can do the all these things till September or October in my complete manner. And while you are studying, second point is, while you are studying, do one thing. What one thing? You fix, you know what happened, so what is the reason? Because you listen ki GATE aspirant total number of candidate appear is more than 1 lakh, है ना, and candidate given like 80,000, 90,000, but only under 1,000 some student, and actual competition is not in lakhs students. In a computer science, actual competition is 10 to 20,000 aspirants, 10 to 20,000. Yes, you listen ki this year ki more than 1.1 lakh student appearing the fill the form and appearing in the exam, but then you worried ki sir, my competition is more than 1 lakh student. No, this is wrong. Your competition is between, actually fact is your competition is under 10,000, you can say 10 to 15,000, only 10,000 to 15,000 students you have in a competition, that's all. Rest of also preparing the GATE examination, but they are not doing in that track key, so you are thinking ki he is a competitor, yes, he is a competitor for a GATE exam. So actual competition is 10 to 15,000 है ना students. So what is the problem? Because remaining, like out of 1 lakh I am telling, 10 15 या maximum 20. What about the 80,000? 80,000 some of the are only feeling for a experience purpose, some feeling but not take it seriously. Please don't mind, है ना, listen the disclaimer, don't mind, don't take it personally also, है ना. But what is the main point ना, they are not doing the study in a proper planning. You listen one keyword, one quotation, winner don't do the different thing, they do the thing in different way, they do the thing in different way. So what is the problem ki everyone not getting the success in a GATE examination, even they start early also, some of them? The answer is very simple, because they are not following the proper planning, है ना. So what happen na, what you read, at least you have to revise. How much you revise na, that is very good for you. As much as you revise, any frequency of revision increase your correctness, increase your marks, increase your potential, and decrease your waiting, yeah, decrease your tension, decrease your negativity, everything, and increase your positive attitude. So you what do na, ki fix one day in a week for revision, like whatever you learn from Monday to Friday. If you are in weekdays batch, then do it Saturday or Sunday. One day I will revise ki whatever I have done in the last 5 to 6 days, I will revise and solve the questions. So that is the best approach, ki at least one day you spend time for revision. Because if you are not doing the revision now, what happen now, you done 2 subject, 3 subject, 4 subject, 5 subject, you going for next subject but forgot previous all, everything is blank. After some month, like 2 month, 3 month, it become again from the scratch, because you forgot completely. So you have to revise, and once the subject is complete, if you are sincerely spending your time for subject and taking the classes, making a notes and revision also, once your subject is complete, what you do, you give the subject wise test and topic wise test, but along with that you make a short notes. And some student having ki sir, I don't have a time, so can I take a short notes from my friend, he is also doing, he or she also doing a good, and he is a topper of the college also. Dekho bachcha, what is the problem na, your short notes is your short notes, because if you taken the short notes from some other student, okay, but you are not getting the intensity ki what is the intention when he or she making that his own notes. So you make a short notes on by own, and whatever important point you observe, yeah, whatever point you need ki yaar I have to revise again and again, so it must be in your short notes, include that one. But that short notes also have some limitations in the term of number of pages. Don't make a short notes for one subject or more than 50 pages. No, this is not a short notes, है ना, not a comprehensive but not a short also. So what you do na, make a short notes according to your convenience. So complete subject will be covered, all important topic will be covered. If any formula, although in a CS branch there is a no die-hard formula, but if any formula you covered also that things. So whatever you feel it, you club in the short notes. Then revise full syllabus. Again I am telling, full syllabus 3 to 4 times. And when it is possible, when you are doing weekly revision, once in a week, doing weekly revision, making a short notes also. And the main thing, when you complete your entire syllabus till September or October, then you feel free, because you have more than sufficient time to revise your full syllabus. Not only 3 to 4 times, you can revise up to 5 to 6 times also, along with the PYQs. So revise your full syllabus 3 to 4 times, है ना. It is possible only once you done your syllabus on time, है ना, whatever time you plan, yeah, whatever it is mentioned in the planner, because we will provide the planner also, don't worry about that. And along with this, give the subject wise mock. I told already ki first you are reading any subject. If I'm talking about DBMS, you are reading DBMS, then what happen na, you revise once in a week, then after the revision you do the topic wise test, like FDA normalization wala, ER model, query language wala, file organization, indexing, transaction and concurrency control, topic wise test. Once you done revision, done topic wise test, done, once the subject is over, you will do subject wise test. So you will get ki where you stand in this subject, what is your plus point, and where you have to give more focus, है ना. So this is possible only once you follow the complete procedure. And not only test is not only for getting ki how much marks I am getting. No, Test is used only, not only for this one, test is used for analysis of your performance. Mean to say, like some students saying in this year also 2025 ki sir, I have done so many silly mistake, 4 to 5 marks silly marks mein kata, right now I'm getting 62, 67, 60 and 70. So think it, they are less, and subtract 5 marks, that means 1/3, means he or she can attempt 15 marks more. 1/3 is negative na, 5 marks subtract in MCQ or whatever, 5 marks subtract means 1/3, means plus 15 he can see, but due to silly mistake is, if IIT Bangalore or IIT Bombay, he or she will going in NIT, है ना. This is the problem कि don't not only do the test, give the test, but once you given the test, watch the performance analysis कि, and make a diary also. Again I am saying कि make a diary कि what is your problem, where you done the mistake, and divide into 2 part. One is your and is non-technical mistake, one is technical mistake. Technical mistake means subject wise, in assume like in TOC you not know the pumping lemma, in DBMS you not know the file organization, assume. This is the technical. Non-technical means कि I am not reading the question properly, I am doing the fastest calculation, I am doing the silly mistakes. These type of things please note down. These type of things please note down कि I am doing calculation mistake, I am not note down the properly data, yeah, I spend more time to reading the question. Whatever mistake you are doing, write down in a pen paper, है ना, in a diary, yeah, in a notebook also. So note down and learn from your mistake during the mock test, and practice the PYQs at least 3 to 4 times, है ना. And don't think कि crack the exam. You have to be dominate. You have to be dominate. Like behave like a warriors. Again I'm saying behave like a warriors. Not think कि exam pass हो जाए. अरे you have to give the exams and dominate your exam. Practice with PYQs, test series, revision, mocks. Do it. But dominate. Behave like a warriors. Clear? Give 8 to 10, at least 8 to 10 full length mock test in last 45 days, and when it is possible, once you complete your syllabus on time, है ना, and analysis your performance carefully. कि which type of performance, गलती करना बुरी बात नहीं है बेटा, उससे सीखना है ना, please. So analysis your performance carefully. So one thing you listen, I am telling so many times, मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत. Mean to say you have to be stay positive and having a positive vibes कि yes I can do it, है ना. And believe me, GATE exam is a very beautiful exam, and with the help of this GATE exam preparation, in this journey you learn lots of that will shape your career in a bright direction, है ना, yeah, bright future only for preparation of this. And one important fact I am telling, if you are dreaming after the 12th, went to the IIT after 12th IIT JEE an exam, if it is not possible due to any reason, it was not possible due to any reason, then you can do this. Life will give you second chance. With the help of GATE examination, you can go to the IITs, IIT Bangalore. And if I'm talking about the hard work after the 12th, if it is 100% hard work na, after the engineering, during the engineering, if you are preparing, 45 to 50% work is actually, means here 100% after 12, here 40 to 45 to 50. Now you are saying sir, this is a contradictory statement, because here after the 11th 12th I have to study only physics, chemistry, math, here I have to learn 10 to 12 subjects. But beta, your attitude, your analytical power, your learning skills is developed as compared to 11th 12th student. So be positive and think it ki yes you can do it. Again I am telling bacha, if really you want to make your career in a bright direction, then this is also one exam which give you opportunity. So prepare it, and we have CSIT and DA both batch है ना available, and we have a combo batch also with or without placement. GATE preparation with or without placement. If only going for MTech, we have a separate dedicated batch for GATE preparation also, and with placement also, and we have so many placement papers and placement exams preparation strategy, and we provide coding classes offline also and no extra cost. But wherever the GFG centers, you can enroll on a weekend, you can go and attend the classes also. And the batch price is not a 60,000, 70,000, 80,000. This is not 20,000 also. This is start from 6,999 and 7,000 onwards it is start. You have to use the code upskill 30, upskill 30 for a maximum discount. And those student having any doubt है ना कि सर आई हैव गिवन दिस एंड आई एम नॉट कैलकुलेटिंग माय रैंक, सो दिस इज द scanner for a rank predictor. You can predict your rank here. And if you want to know about the counseling, sir I need some counseling, you just scan it and fill the basic details. You will get mentorship also. You will get mentorship also. We will provide one-to-one mentorship. Whatever marks you are getting, whatever score you are getting, based on that we will provide. And if you want to know about the more details about the batches ki sir which batch is suitable for me, so this is the courses scan है ना, you scan and you can enroll for a courses है ना. And this is our LinkedIn and Telegram group link, so you can ask your queries on a LinkedIn or Telegram. You can scan and know about the courses also. If you want personal one-to-one mentorship, either GATE 2025 student aspirants, yeah, for a GATE 2026, how I prepare, sir, what is my planning, what is my complete roadmap, should you guide in every 21 days, yes, we will complete provide mentorship, one-to-one mentorship here also. Just scan it. So these are the I try to complete roadmap in which we are I try to explain ki what is the best utilization and what is the track, what is the path, so you will get the under 100 rank AIR under 100 in GATE 2026 and 2027. So hope so this session is informative for you. And if you not subscribe the channel till now, kindly subscribe it and click on notification button, so you will get regular update on this channel, and we will provide so many informative sessions on this channel. So thank you everyone, God bless you. Thank you बच्चों.